Great news! We're making this brand new video series for you on project-based hiring. Stop before you click away. I know that might not sound like the most interesting thing in the world, but if you want to get shit done, it's the way to go. And I have full permission to make it as fun as possible, so I'll try my best to keep you entertained while hopefully helping you learn a bit along the way. So, what is project-based hiring? Why has it become so popular, and should you consider adopting it in your organization? Let's start with the basics. What the hell is project-based work? It essentially just means hiring someone for a finite amount of time, the duration of a specific project, rather than in perpetuity and waiting until they need to be fired, retire, or leave you for another offer. Almost like a summer fling, all the fun without the messy breakup. Not a perfect analogy, but you get the point. Let's try a better one. Imagine you're putting together a team for a heist. You need to bring together a group of people with highly specialized skills, but you only need their skills until the operation is complete. Project-based hiring has become more popular as a response to rapid growth and specialization in the tech industry. And let's be honest, their fear of long-term commitment. As technology rapidly advances, companies are finding that the traditional employment model can't always keep up. They need to grow and scale in more flexible ways. Plus, there's a constant need for specialized skills, and the exact skill set required is often different for each project. Imagine you're building a new house, and you hire the best framers in the world to build the structure of your home. Once they finish, you'll need plumbing and electrical to be put in, but your expert framers tell you they can't help with that. Now, you need to go back to the drawing board to find more skilled specialists to complete your project. That's why most people hire general contractors to help them build a new home. The contractors don't do much, if any, work on the house themselves, but they are responsible for finding the right talent at the right time to ensure a successful project. So, isn't it about time the tech industry caught up to the construction industry? Back to what I was saying. The ability to adapt to new technologies and methodologies through specialized talent caters perfectly to the project-based work model. Companies gain experience and flexibility that are vital in an area where innovation is constant. For the tech industry specifically, which works on defined project deadlines in a series of sprints, it's a perfect fit for this type of hiring. But what roles can you hire on a project-by-project basis? Project-based work is ideal for roles that require niche expertise or have a defined scope and duration. The most common use case is in hiring software developers. Many people less familiar with the tech industry assume that all software developers do the same job. They write code that makes computers do things. This line of thinking fails to recognize that these workers are communicating with computers. This doesn't help the lonely computer nerd stereotype. Many computers speak different languages, and every developer has varying degrees of skills and knowledge in each language. This is without mentioning each developer's unique experiences that can help them solve new problems. So, as you can see, there are many factors that make every software developer uniquely suited to be the missing piece on a specific project. But project-based hiring can extend far beyond software developers. You should hire for every role involved in a project. Many organizations will also hire individuals or companies to be project managers for these contracted workers. Again, similar to the role a general contractor plays on a construction site. Real revolutionary stuff that has been common practice for blue-collar workers for decades. This type of hiring doesn't need to be limited to groundbreaking new development projects either. Just like you don't only hire plumbers and electricians when building a house, sometimes you need their help with maintenance and renovations. I love it when analogies play out this well. So, what other kind of projects am I talking about? I'm so glad you asked. You can bring in a specialist to help manage system upgrades or migrations, so you don't need to add training and additional stress on your internal team. Try bringing in data analysts to interpret complex data sets and make recommendations without the need to keep them around full-time. Fortify your security with external cybersecurity teams who will provide expertise and a fresh perspective to find gaps in your existing systems. All these roles benefit from the project-based model, as they are often goal-oriented and time-bound, making them perfect for short-term, focused assignments. This allows you to hire people that best suit the specific needs of each individual project, rather than a jack of all trades. So, to recap, companies gain access to a pool of specialized talent without the commitment of a full-time hire. This is cost-effective and ensures you have the right skills for the project. Additionally, it brings fresh perspectives and innovative ideas to your team, as project-based workers often have diverse experiences working across various industries and technologies. Moreover, it enables scalability. Companies can easily ramp up their workforce for large projects and scale down once the project is complete, ensuring operational efficiency. But don't worry, this isn't just beneficial for employers. Employees can work on new projects, advance their skills, and make competitive wages for their unique skills. All this while having the flexibility to take time off between projects. Why should organizations consider project-based hiring? In today's tech landscape, where new tools and technologies are emerging regularly, having a team that can quickly adapt and specialize in these areas is crucial. Project-based hiring addresses this need and offers a strategic advantage in project management and execution. It aligns workforce planning with business objectives, ensuring optimal resource utilization. Project-based work represents a strategic, flexible, and efficient approach to talent management. It allows for highly specific hiring and quick adaptation to match the industry, ensuring your organization stays competitive and innovative. Let Talentcrowd be your general contractor if you want to try project-based hires. We are the experts in matching highly skilled tech workers with the right company and projects for their skills. Find the right onshore talent for your next project. Whether it takes a week or years to complete, we'll find the right fit for you. Thanks for joining us. Remember to subscribe for more upcoming videos about project-based hiring.